Unlock a new level of convenience and control by wirelessly connecting your Canon EOS 2000d to your laptop. First, power on your Canon EOS 2000d camera and navigate to the menu. Look for the wireless communication settings or an icon that signifies Wi-Fi. Select this option and ensure that Wi-Fi NFC is enabled on your camera. From the Wi-Fi function menu, choose Connect to Computer. You'll then be presented with options to add a device or add new connection. For simplicity, choose Easy Connection if it's available, or Manual Connection if you need to input specific details later. Now, switch to your laptop. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for a network name that starts with EOS _ followed by your camera's model and serial numbers. Select this network and connect to it. Once connected to the camera's Wi-Fi network, open the Canon utility software on your laptop. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Canon website. Within the Canon utility software, your camera should now be detected. You'll be able to browse images, transfer files, or even use remote live view shooting. Congratulations! You've successfully established a wireless connection between your Canon EOS 2000d and your laptop, simplifying your workflow and making photo management a breeze.